In this tutorial, I'm going to add a couple of different filters to a couple of different clips so you can take a look at the differences between the black and white filters inside CapCut. I'm going to show you how to copy an existing clip and make changes to it, rather than re-add the same clip several times. I'm just going to copy this clip here. You can select any clip in your project by tapping on it, like this. I'm going to swipe over and tap on copy to make a copy of the clip. Now the second clip that I just added is selected, and you can tap on filters. CapCut has many filters. Tap on a category here, and you'll be taken directly to all of the black and white filters. Notice that the first one is fade. To select a filter, just tap on it. And of course, you can adjust the strength of the filter by using the slider. This one is fine. Tap on the check mark once you're done. Move to the end of the second clip. Tap on copy to make another copy. Tap on filters once more, and I'll add the second black and white filter. I'll select the clip once more, make another copy, and apply the next filter that I want to use, which is this one here. I'll make another copy and apply the next filter. The green box shows you which filter has been selected, so I'll select this one here. I'm going to make a copy of the original clip for each of the filters in the black and white section. Making a copy of the clip is easier when you're comparing a bunch of different filters or other video properties, because you can easily see which filter has been applied and you know which filter to apply to the next copy. I'll just make one more copy and apply the last couple black and white filters. Let's play the clip from the beginning and take a look at what we've got so far. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.